Hey guys, today I picked up a magazine spring for my Smith & Wesson M&P shield. The spring is by MagGuts, and it actually adds 2 more rounds to your standard 8. So if you have a standard 7, it will get 2. It will turn into 9 capacity. Well, this one will turn into 10 round capacity. I've seen some guys having it. It worked flawless, so I figured I should get one as well, and figured I'll just install it and put it on YouTube as well. So here we go. Just take down your mag and push that guy down. Make sure you hold the spring so it doesn't pop. It does come with instructions as well. Fairly simple process. Put the old ones back here so we don't get them mixed up. Okay. So we gotta just pop this guy right here. It's gonna go out like this. Make sure it doesn't slide. This part you don't want to slide here, because that will really affect the way it will function. So you want to make sure this guy lines up right there. A little more difficult than I thought. It's a snug fit. There we go. There we go. All right, so all right, it looks fine to me. Once we have rounds, we'll just put it in. I don't have one on me right now, so I'll test it out later, but it feels like it's functioning just properly. So if the old one was gonna come here, so we're talking about 1/4 of an inch or so, which I'm okay with. Gives me a little better grip. So thanks for watching, and good luck if you're gonna install one. Hope you enjoy it as well. Thanks.